How to install Windows 11 without internet or network. In this video, I show you how to bypass internet connection and Microsoft account step on Windows 11 installation. For Windows 11 installation, we need to download ISO. Open your favorite browser, type here refuse.ie, then hit enter. Scroll down, download 4.5.exe. Open the software, double click and refuse, click on yes, click in this drop down, select download, click on download, download ISO image. You can download Windows 10 and 11, click on Windows 11, continue, 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 select your language, continue, click on download, select your location. I want to download on download folder, click on save. The download has been started. When it is complete, click on close. Now we have Windows 11 ISO. It is the last version. You need to plug in one flash drive, 8 gig or 16 gig on your system. Again, double click on refuse, click on yes, click on select. Select your ISO. My ISO is on desktop. Open. Make sure to select all of them. Okay. The process is start. When it is finished, click on close. Now restart your system. When you restart your system, if you use Dell computer, press F12. If you use HP, press F9. If you use other module, search on Google. Now use arrow key, select USB device, hit enter, click on next, install now. If you have product key, enter your product key. If you don't have, I don't have product key, click here. Choose your operating system. I want to install Windows 11 Pro. Click on next, select I accept, next, custom install, format your C drive. It is my C drive. Click on format. Okay. Click on next. Here, if you don't see I don't have internet, press shift key with F10. On comment prompt, type this comment: OOBE / bypass NRO, hit enter. Have a good day. See you soon.